Welcome to Spiral Manufacturing Company Incorporated. We offer a complete line of standard commercial and industrial spiral pipe and fittings, along with custom fabrication designed to meet all your creative specifications. You can expect quality and on-time delivery whether you need a few components or a complete system for a major installation. Since 1962, Spiral Manufacturing Company Incorporated has been manufacturing lock seam spiral pipe in galvanized steel as well as other materials, such as stainless steel, vinyl-coated steel, copper, and aluminum from 14 to 26 gauge. Spiral pipe's ability to handle high positive and negative pressure has led to numerous industrial applications, and it's built right here in the USA. Our products are engineered and built to meet or exceed all the Sheet Metal and Contractors National Association standards, also known as SMACNA. And with the broad range of applications, the versatility of spiral duct has led to its use in a wide range of applications. Our ability to manufacture PVS vinyl-coated spiral pipe and fittings is one of the best in the industry. The chemical inertness of PVC combined with the strength of spiral pipe makes vinyl-coated duct ideal for chemical and underground applications like HVAC, swimming pools, and fume removal, where resistance to corrosion is a must. Call us today to speak with a helpful rep. Spiral Manufacturing Company Incorporated, 11419 Yellow Pine Street, Northwest Minneapolis, Minnesota, 55448. info@spiralmfg.com, 763-755-7677, www.spiralmfg.com.